Hello everyone, welcome to Solo's World. Today I'm so excited to show you how I made this free giveaway bag for one lucky winner. I'm putting on the interfacing on all the three panels for the front part of the purse. Also put an interfacing on the two design pieces that's go on the both side of the panels. The finished tote bag gonna be 16 inches width and 12 inches high. The two design pieces going to be sewn on the two panels. So I can pin them together for the sewing machine. I'm using double folded bias tape for the center part. After centerpiece is ready for sewing later, we are cutting the inside layers for the tote bag. It will be the same size as the outside layer. We add one zipper pocket which will sew on the one side of the inside layers. And we mark where the zipper opening is. Then we're going to sew around it for both layers. And we also have a cell phone pocket. Now we are ready for the sewing machine. I'm using the zigzag stitch. Follow along the design curve for the piece. Sew all the way from the top to the bottom for both pieces. When that's finished, we are going to sew the centerpiece. We basically just sandwich the pieces with the double folded bias tape. And we sew that for both sides. Now it's time to combine all three pieces together. the both sides complete, and now we can install the zipper bag. We are basically sew an opening for the zipper. And we open it and leave a little triangle on the edge for the both end, and then we turn the bag to the other side the panel. And now we got our zipper opening. And we're gonna iron it before we put the zipper on. Now we can sew on the zipper. I like to sew over the zipper opening one more time for secure the zipper and inside of the bag. Now we just enclose the opening of the zipper pocket. And now the pocket is complete. And now we're gonna get ready to install the cell phone pocket. And we turn the pocket inside out. Leave a little opening so we can tilt it over and iron it and sew it on, and make sure it's at the center of the bag. Now the cell phone pocket is complete. Now I'm making the handle for the tote bag. like to watch my video, please give me a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. I would like to make more fun sewing projects. After both handles ready, now we can iron everything. We're ready to put both the inside layer and outside layer together. And we basically fold the outside layer over and just sew over the edge for both sides. Sew the inside layer, but I will leave us 5 to 6 inches opening for later. Now I'm gonna sew the corner, the triangle for 2 inches. Sew both sides for inside layer and outside layer. When the both sides complete, and we cut off the little corner for both inside layer and outside layer, and then we connect them together. For both sides. When that's done, I'm gonna sew the handle on the outside layer of the tote bag. And we do that for both sides. Now it's time to enclose the bag with the inside layer and outside layer, and we basically sew the top inside out. Make sure they all line up together, and then we can sew it over all the way around. So we sew all the way around the top of the tote bag. Remember the opening we didn't sew over? Now we can turn the bag right side out. Now I'm sewing over the outside bag. I'm sewing all the way on the top of the bag opening. secure the inside layer, the outside layer all together pretty good. All our bags ready. Here is our bag. And we got a inside zipper pocket and a cell phone pocket. If you like to win this tote bag, please check the link in the description below to enter the contest. One of your lucky winner gonna win this awesome tote bag. I will announce the winner on February 20th. I will see you all next time.